Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. After the AMT exemption is applied, the remaining amount is called what? So after the exemption is taken out, is deducted from the AMTI. I just told you AMTI comes first. So AMTI minus the exemption. What do we call this number? Well, AMTI, then we deduct the exemption. What do we call this number? Is it the tentative minimum tax? No, that's the actual tax. The regular tax? No, it's not. We call it AMT base. And think of the AMT base as the taxable income for AMT. Remember this formula that I started with when I started this lesson. Regular taxable income, we start with that, plus the standard deduction, plus or minus adjustments, plus preferences, come up to AMTI. Then we take the exemption, and after we take the exemption, this is what they're asking. So the question is asking for this one, and this number is called the AMT base. Then from the AMT base, as we saw in this recording, you pay your taxes, you get the tentative AMT, then you take out any credit, then you whatever is left, you compare it to the regular tax, you pay the higher, and that's that. If you are taking this lesson, if you're taking this MCQ on Farhat Lectures, you could use the AI to explain the topic, explain correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you. Whether you are an accounting student, CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, don't shortchange yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, multiple choice, exercises, simulation, video simulations, video MCQ. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.